What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Another quick video to show you how to change the cabin air filter on your 2023 Honda Accord. Cabin air filter is located behind the glove box, so we'll hop inside and check this thing out. So we're inside. Get your glove box open. You see how slow it comes down? It's because it has a damper on it. So this damper arm right here is what does that. We need to remove this to get the glove box out. So you just push down on it. It pops like that and slides right out of your way. Now if that's out of the way, we need to get this glove box out. And there's a pin right there, and there's one on the other side. And you need to push your glove box liner in, and that will pop out just like that. Come to the other side. Same thing. You can see that pin back in there. Push your glove box liner in, and it'll just pop out like that. Your glove box will pivot down, and then it'll pop out like this. Now that the door's out of the way, we can access our cabin air filter, which is located behind this compartment right here. So there's a clip on this side. You just push it in, and that pops right out. And there's one also on the other side that looks just like it. Push it in, it pops right out just like that. Slide the door out of the way. Here's your cabin air filter, and if you notice on it, it says airflow this way. So you want to make note of that before you pull it out. That way you put your new one in the correct way. You just grab the filter best you can. It's kind of tight in there, and just pull it out. And this is kind of what it looks like. Pretty nasty, pretty dirty. Got the new air filter airflow going in the correct direction. So you come on in just like you removed it. It slides right into place just like that. See, these are those clips that you pushed on earlier to pop it out. So this thing will just go up there and pop right back in. Make sure it says airflow going in the same direction as your air filter. Once you get it up there into place, you just push on the sides and you'll hear the click. That's installed. Let's get the glove box back in. On your glove box, these are the pins that you unhooked earlier to get it actually out. And it has these hooks, and you'll just go in and hook it right here. Slide it into place. It'll go right on those hooks, just like that. Push up on it. You already heard the click. These popped in, so we're in there. So that's all good. Hook your damper arm back up. So you can see the hook on here, and that's what you're going to hook inside. So you just slide it into place. Once you get it in there in place, you just pull up. You hear a click. It's in place, and that's good to go. Check it for operation. Damper's working good. Everything looks good. So there you go, guys. Another quick and easy install that hopefully gave you enough confidence to be able to do it yourself. And you don't have to have a shop do it or someone else do it. Save you a few bucks. And I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next video.